Okay, so let's watch this video. It's not as good as mine.
This is the static electricity machine. It's called a Van de Graaff generator, and you and I have never done this before. And this is a brand new one. I've never even tried this one out on 9 News before, so this is great. This is how we teach kids about electrons and really an electron elevator and how it sends the electrons over the top here. So here's what happens. There's a crank that's here.
Right.
The crank's going to turn the motor on the bottom. And when I turn it like this, you're
by
going to
ripping electrons off. The electrons are going to get brought into this ball.
Electricity that's in
weird.
Is that weird? All right, so here's what I'm going to do. You hang onto the ball.
Right?
Okay.
So conductor, they're going to get opposite charges.
Dim the lights a little bit, and I'm going to twist it. And watch what happens here. You're going to get a nice little, get a little closer.
And look, see, there's the sparks.
Isn't that a great one?
That's really cool.
Right, as they become, one becomes negative and one becomes positive, they're getting opposite charges.
So the
electrons can fly from one to the other.
More fun. You hang onto this.
Oh, okay.
That's because, again, the electrons are moving.
Oh,
see how that? Is that awesome? All right, so the lights come up because here's what we're going to do. This cranking thing is for sissies, so we're going to move it to the motor. All right? So here we go.
No, we're going to keep the charge. Because every time he discharges it, yes, we're going to charge it.
So here's what we're going to do now. So now I'm going to hang onto this, and now when we flip on the motor here, now you really can kind of build up those electrons. And that's what we're doing, this little electron elevator. Is sending the electrons to the top there, and it's jumping, so we get all this negative charge. And you feel it around your body, don't you? Is that crazy?
What did you say to me earlier, that this is what you feel like just before you die on pipe speed?
Oh, no, it's this part. All right, so here's what I want you to do. So now you put your hand on the ball. All right? So it's okay to put this.
So she's going to have all those negatives that are building up here, going to go into her hand, go into her body, and go into her hair.
Now we flip it on.
Now she had really good hair. You see her hair flying. You can see a little bit there.
Yeah, a little bit. Do you want me to shake my hair out?
See a little bit of her hairs are going
up.
When we do it, we actually get hair flying up. She's got
a little bit of
gel in her hair.
Okay. So now, here, we can build up some of the electrons this way. So if you go this way, these are just little pie pans.
So the pie tins are all going to get the same charge, and we know that light charges repel, so they're going to fly off. They're all conductors.
There is this piece, too. We have to tell people in Colorado that when the lightning hits, you count to 5, right? So when you see the flash of lightning, 1,001, 1,002, for every 5 seconds, it's a mile away. They consider a real danger zone in Colorado between a mile and 2 miles. So believe it or not, you can count to 10, hear the thunder, and then all of a sudden, that's pretty dangerous. So you got to get out of there. Get out of there. Hey, here's our special guest, Barbie. So hang on to Barbie.
So Barbie's hair
should
get a charge.
And now I'm going to crank this up, and you should feel. Oh, there's a little of electricity in the air. Do you feel? Oh, see, when you
our hair's getting a little
there's just a
frizzy.
little.
Not as good as I would like, but you can actually get that to work pretty well. So there we go. That's it.